What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which as you guys can clearly see has not been performing too well at all over the last 2 weeks. Majority of them were red days and it has been dropping in value, just like majority of the cryptocurrencies out there, just like Bitcoin, which has dropped down to $64,000 guys, which is not looking too good. However, what is next for Jasmy? Is now the time to buy the dip? Should you wait for it to drop further? Should you avoid it? Or should you sell it if you're on a profit? So we're going to be covering buyers and sellers point of view and essentially looking at his prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024 and going into 2025. What can we expect from Jasmy, and is it a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart and we are looking at the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, Jasmy is at a very crucial point right now. It is very close to the resistance level, so it does have two options right now: either to bounce back up into the top tier level and carry on hitting green candles, or the only other option is for it to go the other way, drop down into the blue zone, which would be a crucial point again for Jasmy, because as you guys can see, it has been trading in the top tier level here for nearly about 3 to 4 weeks, and for it to drop back down into the blue zone will not be looking too good. But I'm expecting it to, even if it does hit the blue zone, I'm expecting it to bounce back up into the top tier level towards the end of June and early July. But I'll be going through that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart giving us the average value of Jasmy. This is the SMA indicator, and as you guys can see, we have the average value here in purple at just over 0.035 cents. However, the crypto is trading at below 3 cents, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic guys. Reason they're looking so steep is because of the increase in value that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which again I do not agree with, and it's not as realistic, even though over the next 12 to 14 hours I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value. I am not expecting anything huge, so just above 3 cents in value is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, do expect red candles in between, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. So zooming into the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and yes, looking quite steep as well. So once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. In fact, over the coming week, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to be hovering around the 3 cents target, so pretty much where it is at the moment. Reason being is I'm expecting it to hit more red candles over the coming days, dropping down in value a little bit further before it slowly starts to gain value by mid to end of next week, bringing it back up to where it is trading at the moment, or slightly higher, just over 3 cents in value. But again, nothing major is expected other than an overall fluctuation in value over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have taken a complete U-turn here, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction and looking quite steep as well. So once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. But again, last time it was looking steep in a bullish direction, now it's looking, you know, steep in a bearish direction. So I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Jasmy, potentially heading to the 5 cents target is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid to late August and going into September. I'm expecting it to hit a new all-time high at least over the next 4 to 5 weeks and then go up from there, heading up to the 5 cents target. However, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact not just on Jasmy but the crypto market in general, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, the crypto is currently trading at its resistance level. So as mentioned at the start of the video, I'm expecting it to dip down a little bit further into the blue zone and then bounce back up into the top tier level, heading up even higher than where it is at the moment, hitting a new all-time high over the next approximately 2 months time. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has not moved much in the last 24 hours. However, due to the fact that the crypto has slowly started to pump up right now over the last couple of hours, we may see more and more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. So yes, I'm expecting the trading volume to go up higher than where it is at the moment. Over the last week, massive 12% down, majority of it was red days. It has taken quite of a hit, and over the month just about 45% up, guys. So yes, it does look like it's clearly gone up in value earlier on in June, and then for the second half of June it's literally just dropped in value, but I'm expecting it to bounce back up over the coming weeks. So yeah, this is my take on Jasmy, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, where are you guys expecting Jasmy to go next? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.